दिस इज़ द वर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ ट्रैवलिंग। 18,500 ये लोग PCR पर हेड का चार्ज करते हैं।
Where we have to go get our what? Where we have to go check it for
PCR test.
PCR COVID test. Last time we did this, they had to like put it through our nose and it feels so weird, like tickling.
Come, let's go. Let's go.
Ladies first.
Okay, Mama.
We're not supposed to go today.
It's closed. Come. Let me see.
This is gonna be torture.
Well, first.
It's not that bad. It's very comfortable.
It's going through your mouth.
No, it's not going to.
See? Your mouth. It said that you have to put it through your mouth 10 times.
Wait, is there liquid in here? Okay,
You're going first, Jamaican.
Shut up, Junior. Come here.
No. Jamaican is.
I did mine the other day. It's not that bad.
Come. It's not that bad. Come.
It's not great, but it's not that bad. Okay.
You'll be fine. Come here.
Where is he?
Like,
You want to go first?
3 seconds.
John, go first. Jonas, come on.
Bring your water bottle.
Jonas, come.
I'm gonna hold my breath.
okay, that was a wrong time of me going in.
No, right? There's something to watch.
Yeah.
Okay, I never existed.
Thingy.
Sit down.
No.
Relax. What's your favorite? What do you want to do when you grow up? Businessman. A businessman. I knew they were going to say businessman. I mean, they're all businessmen, to be honest. Businessmen or doctors. Junior, I can see you.
See? It's done.
I mean, it doesn't feel good, but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
I got mine done the other
Feels deadly.
day.
Fine.
All right, Junior
If
turn.
you don't have to do it, then you don't have to do it. Just stay
I'm
here
not really
and
care about his sense.
Junior is ready.
Yeah.
Junior is a strong boy.
You see the line there, and he doesn't. Yeah, Jamaican. Yeah. Come on, Junior.
I have the line.
I knew you had it. Jeez. So which one? He's full Jamaican. Full
Yeah.
blown.
Yes.
Full blown Jamaican. Junior, what you want to be
Okay,
when
I'm
you
gonna
grow
try
up?
to sleep.
Junior, what you wanted to be
Hold your breath.
when you grow up?
Hold your breath. The best thing to do is hold your breath.
Well,
Hold your breath.
that's in their vein. That's in their vein.
I mean, there's not, it's either that or doctor.
No, I want to get
What you want to be?
hold your breath. Hold your breath.
No, there is no need to hold your breath.
That's what I did. Hold your breath.
Come on.
Okay, I'm closing my eyes. And if he does collapse.
When you listen, when I say go, you hold your breath. When I say go. Tickles, I know.
Oh, you're going.
There you go.
Done.
You went far.
Okay, you're putting it like more inside.
No matter 3 year old small, that's why I feel that way. There's a little button now.
So I got discount 15,000 per head और दोनों बच्चों का मिला के 30,000 जमैकन डॉलर मैंने पे किया है PCR टेस्ट के लिए। इसका रिपोर्ट हम लोग को कल आएगा 24 आवर्स में।